Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Time, the podcast where learning English is easy, fun, and friendly.
Hi, guys. I'm Grace, your curious English learner who loves shopping and sometimes buys too much.
And I'm David, your friendly English teacher. I help you speak English clearly and confidently, one conversation at a time.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, every week we talk about real-life topics, daily routines, food, travel, and today's topic?
Shopping! Yay! One of my favorite topics.
Shopping is something we all do for food, clothes, gifts, or maybe just for fun.
Right. I think shopping can be relaxing or stressful. It depends.
True. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to talk about shopping in English.
So if you ever go shopping in the US or talk to English speakers, you'll know what to say.
We'll learn how to ask for prices, how to buy things, and even how to return something politely.
Oh, that's very useful.
So, Grace, let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
When you go shopping, what do you usually buy?
Clothes, of course. And maybe snacks?
Of course. Let's learn how to talk about that step by step. Imagine you're at a clothing store. You want to buy a new t-shirt.
Ooh, okay. I see a cute pink t-shirt.
So what would you say to the store clerk?
Maybe, excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
Perfect. That's a very common question. How much is this?
How much is this?
Let's say it slowly together. How much is this?
How much is this?
Good. It means you're asking for the price.
So the clerk might say, it's $15.
Exactly. Then you can say, okay, I'll take it.
Or if it's too expensive, maybe, that's too much.
Yes, or do you have something cheaper?
Ooh, that's a good one. Do you have something cheaper?
Right. Cheaper means less expensive.
Got it. So, how much is this? And do you have something cheaper?
Perfect. When we talk about money, we usually say, it's $5 or they are $5.
So not, it's cost $5?
Good question. No, we say it costs $5 or it's $5.
Ah, okay. It costs $5.
Exactly. The verb cost means to have a price.
Like, this bag costs $50.
Perfect, Grace.
Can I say, how much does it cost?
Yes, that's another common question. How much does it cost and how much is it mean the same thing?
Cool. I'll use both.
Okay. Now, imagine you want to try on some clothes.
I love trying on clothes.
You can say, excuse me, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Yes. The phrase try on means to put on clothes to see if they fit.
So I can say, can I try this jacket on?
Exactly. Or, where is the fitting room?
Fitting room, that's where you try clothes, right?
Right. In the U.S., we often say fitting room or changing room.
Got it. Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
Perfect English. Let's review some useful phrases.
Okay.
How much is this? Do you have something cheaper? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room?
Nice and simple. I can remember that. David, can we talk about food shopping too?
Of course. Everyone goes to the supermarket.
Right. So when I go shopping, I usually buy milk, eggs, and bread.
Great examples. Let's practice a little dialogue at the supermarket.
Okay.
You're looking for apples. You can ask, excuse me, where are the apples?
Excuse me, where are the apples?
Good. You can also say, which aisle are the apples in?
Aisle. What's that?
Good question. An aisle is a long row in the supermarket. For example, the fruit aisle, the snack aisle, or the drinks aisle.
Oh, like when I walk between shelves?
Exactly. So, which aisle are the apples in means you're asking for the location.
Cool. And when I find them, I can say, these apples look fresh.
Perfect sentence.
Then maybe I go to the cashier and say, I'd like to pay, please.
Yes, that's very polite. You can also say, can I pay by card? Or do you take credit cards?
Ah, yes, that's important. I never have cash.
Me too sometimes. Let's go over some useful words. Cart, the thing you push. Basket, smaller for fewer items. Cashier, the person at the register. Receipt, the paper you get after paying.
Oh, receipt. That's hard to pronounce.
Yes, it looks like receipt, but we say receipt. The P is silent.
Receipt.
Excellent. And the receipt is useful if you want to return something, right?
Exactly. Let's talk about that next.
Sometimes I buy something and then change my mind.
That happens. In English, we say return or exchange.
So I can say, I'd like to return this shirt, please. Perfect. Or, I'd like to exchange this for a larger size.
Oh, good one. Exchange this for a larger size.
Yes. And the store clerk might ask, do you have the receipt?
Ah, yes. Keep the receipt.
Always.
So, return, exchange, receipt. I got it.
Perfect. When we make requests, we often use polite phrases like, can I, could I, I'd like.
So, I want to return this is okay, but I'd like to return this sounds nicer.
Exactly. It's more polite and friendly.
Okay. So, I'd like to buy this. I'd like to return this.
Perfect practice.
These days, I shop online more than in stores.
Same here. Online shopping is convenient.
Right. You can say, I bought this online.
Or, I ordered it from Amazon.
Sometimes I say, it's on sale.
Everyone loves sales. On sale means it's cheaper than the regular price.
Yes. Like, this dress was $30, but now it's on sale for $20.
Perfect.
And we can also say, I got a great deal.
Yes, that means you paid a good price, not too expensive.
Nice. I got a great deal on these shoes.
Perfect English, Grace. Let's highlight some key shopping phrases. On sale, lower price. Discount, reduction in price. Deal, a good offer. Delivery, when they bring it to your house. Order, to buy something online.
Got it. I ordered it online and the delivery was fast.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners. Now it's your turn to practice.
Yes. Repeat after us. We'll say each phrase slowly.
Ready? Here we go.
I'd like to pay by card.
I'd like to pay by card.
Do you have the receipt?
Do you have the receipt?
Can I return this, please?
Can I return this, please?
Fantastic. You're doing great.
Now, try to make your own sentence. For example, I'd like to buy a new jacket.
Or, I got a great deal on my phone.
Excellent.
Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about shopping in English, in stores and online.
Right. Let's go over the key phrases again.
How much is this? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? I'd like to pay by card. Do you have the receipt? I'd like to return this. It's on sale.
Perfect summary.
And some new vocabulary. Aisle, cashier, receipt, discount, delivery, deal, order.
Excellent. You can use these words next time you go shopping.
I learned so many useful things today, David.
You did great, Grace. And our listeners, you did great too.
Yes, remember, practice a little every day. Next time you go shopping, try to use one English phrase you learned today.
That's right. Don't be afraid to speak. Just smile and say it slowly.
And people will understand you.
Exactly.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what do you like to buy when you go shopping?
We'd love to hear from you.
Until next time.
Keep learning, keep smiling.
And keep talking in English.
Thanks for listening to English Talk Time. See you next time.